Want to sync all your Gmail contacts to your iPhone easily? Here's how you can do it in few steps. First, open your Settings app and scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down, then tap on Mail, then go to Mail Accounts and tap on Add Account. After that, choose Google and sign in using the Gmail account that has your contacts. Once you're logged in, make sure the toggle for contacts is turned on. Then tap Save in the top right corner. Now go back to your Contacts app and give it a few seconds to sync. Then your Gmail contacts will start showing up automatically. And if they're not syncing right away, restart your phone or go back to the main settings menu. Then tap on Contacts. Then go to Contacts account and tap on the Gmail account you just synced and make sure Contacts is toggled on. And that's all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.